In this video, I'll be showing you how you can install new fonts in Davinci Resolve 18 and beyond that. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is close down your Davinci Resolve app. Then from here, you need to find your font that you want to install. And you can find it on thatfont.com or anywhere else on the internet. It doesn't really matter. So when you have downloaded, it should be looking something like this. Then from here, you need to double tap on it. And then you have the opportunity to see what you are installing. And then up here, right beside print, there's something called install. And you need to click on that, like so. Now you can see it's installing. And when this turns gray, it means you have successfully installed this font. From here, you can just close the font down, close up Davinci Resolve, close up any projects. And then from here, you can go into Edit tab. You can find text, titles, text plus. Then from here you can find the font, and you can find the font that you just downloaded. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!